You want big forearms, stop doing these tiny little flexion extension exercises in the cables. Your time and your energy is much better spent doing heavy hammer curls and just generally lifting heavy weights.
Heavy hammer curls, this is targeting the brachioradialis and radialis, but the big flexor group of your forearm, this one, the one that have Devin Larratt, insane forearms, like the flexor carpi radialis, the flexor carpi ulnaris, and the palmaris longus, they are all huge muscles in the forearm. And if you want big forearms, do these. They're not wasting your time, they are good, bro. Yes, you can get big forearms from doing heavy lifts like SLDLs or most back movements like a lat pull down or a rowing variation. But yet again, why are you doing those lifts? You're not doing those lifts to get big forearms. And if your grip is a limiting factor in those lifts, it could be taken away from the actual reason you're doing those lifts.